LightWave 3D was huge in 90s sci-fi TV. LWO is the object file. Modern apps like Blender can still import these legacy 3D models perfectly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's import it into Blender. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust LWO file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. LWO files are 3D object files created by LightWave 3D, the professional modeling, animation, and rendering application with a legacy spanning film, television, and game development. They contain polygon and subdivision surface mesh geometry with UV mapping, surface definitions, material properties, and vertex color data for detailed 3D models. LightWave LWO files use the IFF Interchange File Format structure with tagged chunks storing point coordinates, polygon definitions, UV texture maps, surface material properties, weight maps, morph targets, and vertex color maps. The format supports both LWO and LWO2 versions, with progressively richer geometry and material features. The primary software for LWO is recognized as LightWave 3D, developed by NewTek. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows may miss advanced 3D elements, so complete viewing requires dedicated modeling software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your LWO file and select Open With. Test LightWave 3D if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the LWO file won't budge, stay calm. Errors with the LWO format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, opening in LightWave 3D, launch LightWave Modeler and load the LWO file using File, then load Object. The model displays with all geometry surfaces, UV maps, and weight maps intact. Switch to Layout for animation rendering and scene assembly with the loaded object. Ensure your LightWave version supports the LWO file version being open. Next, importing into Blender. Open Blender and use File, then Import, then LightWave Object to load the LWO file. Blender's built-in importer handles LWO geometry and basic surface properties. Adjust material settings after import, as some LightWave-specific shader features may require manual recreation in Blender's node-based material system. Finally, converting to other formats. Use Blender or ASIMP to convert LWO files to FBX, OBJ, or GLTF formats for use in other 3D applications. Import the LWO file, then export in the desired format. For batch conversion, the ASIMP command line tool, ASIMP export input, LWO output, FBX processes files without opening a graphical application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.